2009 Ford Focus passenger strut assembly replacement. First, remove wheel in a star pattern. With a 17mm socket, remove sway bar link. If sway bar is spinning while taking off, with locking pliers, grab it from the back and take off sway bar link nut. With a chisel and a hammer, remove brake hose locking clip. With a 18mm socket, take off steering knuckle bolt holding strut assembly. Remove sway bar link from strut. With a 15mm, take off outer tie rod nut. Hammer steering knuckle until outer came out, or use end removal tool. With some love taps into knuckle, take out strut assembly from knuckle. Remove strut mount nuts. Now we can remove strut assembly. Make sure parts are the same. We use this part for the job. This is an important step. Is easier if you clean and lubricate knuckle. Also, with a chisel, open strut assembly base, that way strut can go in without too much trouble. Align strut mount studs into the car and hand screw strut mount nuts. Do not fully tight them yet. Align and slide strut assembly into the knuckle. With a jack, raise knuckle until strut is fully in. Hand screw strut assembly bolt and tighten. Install sway bar link. Grab it with locking pliers and tighten it. Put back outer tie rod and tighten. Install brake hose and put back brake hose locking clip. Make sure everything is good and tight. Now we can fully tight strut mount nuts. Install wheel and tight lug nuts in a star pattern. If you like more stuff like this, subscribe. We are here to help and ready for the next one.